Hi there, this is how to make these vegan apple cinnamon muffins. Start by preheating the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. I've measured out all of my ingredients. You can find the full ingredients list with quantities in the description. Start by adding the dry ingredients, which are 3 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of white sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of salt to balance some of the sweetness. Give the dry ingredients a mix with a spoon, and once combined, make a well in the center. To add the wet ingredients, which are 2 cups of plant milk and half a cup of melted vegan butter or vegetable oil. And then give it all a stir to form a smooth muffin batter. Right now we've made cinnamon muffins, so we need to add the apples. I'm using 2 pink lady apples, but any tangy, crisp apples like Granny Smith's would also work. Remove the apple cores and then give them a chop into small chunks. Add the apple to the muffin batter and then fold everything together. Now line or grease your muffin trays. I'm using silicone liners. This recipe makes 24. Using 2 spoons, scoop the mixture into the muffin tray. Fill them around 3/4 full so they can rise without overflowing. Repeat filling all 24 muffin liners. For those of you paying attention, you might have seen this little dish sitting on the table. It's our cinnamon sugar and it's going to level up these apple cinnamon muffins. Sprinkle a small amount over each one. Now they're ready to go in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Today we're up to 1,060 subscribers. Thanks everyone. Once cooked, allow them to cool fully in the tray. Thanks for watching. Check out more of my vegan recipe videos here.